Hello everyone. It was Longa Chwala who brought the gun that killed Senzo Mayiwa in the Khumalo's Vosloras home in October 2014. But it was Mayiwa's girlfriend singer Kelly Khumalo who accidentally pulled the trigger. This is the version of Advocate Tsepo Tobane, the defense lawyer of 4 of the 5 men who are on trial for killing the football star. Tobane submitted to the court that his client had nothing to do with Mayiwa's killing. Instead, it was people who had shared a meal, drank and watched soccer with Senzo Mayiwa on that fateful night who were behind his killing. Tumelo Madlala, who is the best friend of Senzo, was cross-examined in the High Court in Pretoria by Advocate Tobane. Tobane stated that there was a witness who will testify that there was a fight before Mayiwa was shot and people were heard arguing. Madlala was among those who were present in the house that night. Madlala said that's a lie. He remained adamant that what he told the court was what he saw that night. It was his version that he, Mayiwa, Longwe, Mtsokosi Sitwala, Kelly Khumalo, her sister Zandile, their mother Ntombi, and Kelly's 2 minor children were in the house that evening, where intruders burst in and demanded their valuables. It was Madlala's version that Longwe had bolted out of the house, Kelly had run to the bedroom, and Zandi and her mother had beaten one of the accused while Mayiwa wrestled with another. The gunshot went off and Senzo was injured as the attackers fled. Tumelo said he was in the house, he never saw the fight, and according to Advocate Tobane, when Longwe came into the house, an argument ensued and he pulled out a gun and tussled with Senzo. He then gave it to Mayiwa. Mayiwa gave the gun to Kelly. Longwe was at the time in a relationship with Zandile. Madlala said it's a lie. That is something that's made up. Tobane further said Kelly wanted to give the gun back to Mayiwa, and that is when it went off and hit Mayiwa at close range. Madlala disputed it. He said that thing never happened. When the firearm went off, Longwe was not in the house. He ran out. As cross-examination of Madlala unfolded, Tobane accused Madlala of being an evasive witness. He painted a grim picture of the supposed good friendship Madlala claimed to have had with Senzo. This after Madlala revealed that he had sold personal pictures of Mayiwa that he had to the media. He also said he had received payment to feature in a Netflix documentary on Mayiwa that aired just before the trial. Tobane further accused Madlala of trying to close loopholes in his testimony and further alleged that Madlala had been paid to testify in the trial because Madlala failed to some of the questions and blamed this on the time which had lapsed since the incident. Tumelo insisted that the person who had wrestled with Senzo on that night was on the 5 accused who sat in the dock. He pointed at the second accused, Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi, and told the court how he vividly remembered how Mayiwa had pinned him to the wall before Mayiwa was shot. Madlala also stated that he had himself thrown a punch at Ntanzi. Madlala also denied allegation that on that night someone stopped him from communicating with Mayiwa's brother Sfiso Mayiwa. This was after he had called him to tell him about the shooting. The court has so far had evidence of how after Mayiwa was confirmed dead and how Chico Twala had offered Kelly on holiday overseas. Chico is Longwe's father. Do you think Tobane is telling the truth that Kelly is the one who shot Senzo Mayiwa? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.